While you may have plenty of experience packing for a trip, you might not know how to pack your luggage. We're here to help you with shipping your luggage as well as other fragile or unique items. Before you can start packing, you need to inspect your luggage to make sure it's in good shape and check whether it contains items considered dangerous goods, such as hairspray cans, lighters, nail polish, and hazardous items listed in our service guide. These items may not be permitted or may require special packaging, extra documentation, and additional fees to ship. Once you confirm that your luggage is ready to ship, you have two options. If you're okay with shipping the luggage as is, place a copy of your shipping label inside the luggage. You'll need a FedEx tie-on tag for your shipping labels and any additional documents. We also recommend dropping the luggage off at a FedEx office or other FedEx retail location to ensure it's handled properly. However, if you prefer extra protection for your luggage, you'll need a box large enough to fit your luggage, packing material like air cellular cushions, and pressure-sensitive adhesive tape. Prepare your box by using the H-taping method to seal the bottom of the box. Make sure to apply pressure-sensitive adhesive plastic tape equally across all the seams and flaps. Fill the bottom of the box with packing material and center your luggage inside the box. Then, fill any empty space with more packing material, place a copy of your shipping label inside, and seal the top of the box. Place a label on top of the box. Now, you're ready to ship. If you're shipping luggage internationally, there are a few additional factors to consider. FedEx offers convenient, cost-effective, and reliable service options that are ideal for shipping personal items across borders. Keep in mind that the cost of shipping will vary based on the weight of your luggage, the distance it needs to travel, and the service type you select. For urgent deliveries, consider using our overnight service to ensure your belongings arrive as quickly as possible. If your luggage weighs over 50 pounds, additional fees may apply, so it's important to weigh your luggage before shipping. This ensures you're prepared for any extra cost and can select the best shipping option for your needs. Need help packaging your luggage? Visit one of our convenient FedEx office locations to create a shipment, and we'll provide the right FedEx box solution, cushioning materials, and expert packing service for a fee. With proper packaging and help from FedEx, you're ready to ship confidently. For more information on how to ship luggage and detailed how-to guides, visit fedex.com/luggage.